This is not just a normal Dubai property video. It is something very massive and very, amazing, and it is worth watching. So don't skip the video. Okay, so we are standing in DAMAC Lagoons as of now, and when it was launched 3 years ago, the prices for 4 BHK townhouse was 1.6 million dirhams. But in today's date, these are the townhouse that I'm talking about, and this is the lagoon, the massive lagoon that I'm talking about. The prices here for the townhouse currently is 2.8 million dirhams. That means it has shown the appreciation of more than 1 million in just 3 years of time period. But if you have missed the opportunity, I have something very amazing for you, so hear it out. DAMAC has come up with their 7th community named as DAMAC Islands, and the starting price is just 2.8 million for a 4 BHK townhouse. Is that believable? And see at the lagoon, see at the community. It's so amazing. So much of greenery, so much of water bodies. It's gonna be like a resort feel to live in here. And the prices is just 1200 dirhams per square feet, wherein all the nearby communities are selling for more than 1500 dirhams per square feet. So this is the opportunity that you shouldn't miss, and once it will be launched, it is in the launching phase as of now. Once it will be launched, the prices will increase from 15 to 20%. So this is an opportunity that you should grab and not regret later, because the prices will increase around 10%, because this is a community, it is a townhouse, and it's DAMAC. So contact me today to book your unit here, so that you don't regret tomorrow. Thank you.